first.
Well,
all right, guys. When you send the challenge, just keep it. I'm gonna like take them in order. All right, so Rolio. All right, so let's go C5. Like, you know, this guy's playing the Alapin. What the? And he's playing wait, hold on. We have a 900 here playing fast against the feeder master. This could not be a better sin. Look at this now. Bro, how do we have a 900 blitzing theory? Like, see, I'm telling you, most of them, it's just the middle games.
Bro, I have played this guy. Like, you have played this guy before. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, me?
Like, this Rollier seems so familiar to me. Like, I'm pretty sure I know.
Is it there's supposed to be like a case where I can actually see if I played them before? But I can tell that his opening theory has ended here. Never mind, it still continues. But he's playing fast, so yeah. If people play fast, it's more like psychological stuffs.
Guys, all the challenges are okay, 5 minutes or less. We don't play 10 minutes.
Just don't send any 10-minute matches, guys. Like that. I'll like once I find a structure, then I can start putting like 10 minutes, simuls, everything. I don't know. I'm just streaming and like seeing what's up, seeing who are my supporters, and then beating them to sickness. So like this is his first mistake. So guys, if you're watching this stream, bishops help to control weak squares, and the minute you give me the bishop, I am going to start winning material. So be very careful. Be very, very careful. Whenever I get bishops, I am a different person. Look at this. Oh, hold on. This guy's not like a normal 900. He actually can move the pieces a bit. So I have to be extremely careful. I'm putting my rooks on open files now. But I have bishops controlling the entire board. Look at this. Cut. So he's now respecting the greatness.
Someone's asking if you can survive against Hikaru.
I mean, Hikaru hasn't gotten the opportunity to play against me as yet, but once we see that, we'll know.
Hikaru hasn't gotten the opportunity yet. That's crazy. Guys, somebody give Hikaru the opportunity.
After 2 minutes? No, this guy is actually not playing bad. I'm really impressed with how he's playing. I'm trying to win material, man. Like, he can't get away with like doing this. Let's go.
That's crazy, man.
Oh my god. This feels like too much work.
Hakeem and Raheem are still not brothers, yes.
Yes. It's unfortunate, but... Oh my god,
although, fun fact,
he blundered.
You do have a brother named Hakeem, so it's just not the same guy.
Yeah, my brother is called Hakeem, but it's not the Hakeem that you guys know.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Fun facts.
It is actually crazy. Hey, can you please play me next? To play, you send an invite.
Yeah, I don't even know who is next. Just look. Whatever order I see come up on like chess.com, I'm just gonna accept. Oh, what's this?
And remember to like
accidentally open one of my own YouTube videos
and be subscribed, guys.
Bro, I have to be actually outplaying this guy, and he's 900. This is like really and truly impressive stuff. So this guy, genius. I'm telling you, he has really good chess. Like, he's not blundering. So this guy has it done. All right, never mind. I spoke too soon. All right.
What's up, Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Thank you, everybody who's liking the stream, guys. We appreciate it.
Bro, the bishops are killing him.
I hate to keep bringing it up, but, you know, we got to do what you got to do.
Somebody's got to do...
Akeem uploaded a short of surfing in Qatar. Yeah, we saw, man. We saw. Don't worry. Hello, Fang. Welcome to the stream.
Bro, I have to literally be taking this game seriously.
Who's talking? Well, me and Raheem.
Wait, I put your face on my stream, but you don't put my face on your stream? Guys, are you seeing this? I just didn't know that you were gonna go live on yours as well.
I literally told you, bro. I talked about it for 5 minutes.
I didn't know it was like exactly today.
I was like, if you're already forcing me to sit on your stream, I might as well go live.
All right, fair.
It's not my fault you don't know how to listen.
I mean, it's just like mentorship, you know. You just get to starting ground with it, and then you. Bro, I have to be taking this game seriously. Yo, you know what?
If you haven't lost to Raheem because I haven't played with him, then I'm better than Raheem. Not gonna lie. I don't know if that's how it works.
That's the philosophy.
I don't think that's how it works.
Bro, this guy, he has to be an uptrend.
Don't make Laird your moderator. It's a bad idea. Are you happy now, Laird?
There's like a lot of ways to convert, but you know what? Fine. He wants the activity. All right, finally.
I do want to see activity.
Oh, never mind. I almost blundered. Jesus Christ, who is this 900?
Remember, guys, you're watching a FIDE master. So if you're giving him advice, that means you're better than a FIDE master. So before you give him advice, think about it.
I have to be playing this guy like I'm playing an international master. That's how strong this guy is.
I recognize Rolly.
He's gonna get kicked, but I'm actually impressed with his play. Like, super impressed.
Yeah, I thought his name seemed familiar.
This guy is currently improving chess. Look, he's even taking his time and trying to find the best move and suffer slowly. Look, I have to be controlling diagonals and files against this guy.
Yeah.
It's crazy stuff. Look, I have to be actually trying to outplay this guy.
I think it's always unfair when one person uses the brain and the other doesn't.
Bro, I'm not supposed to be using my brain against these people. This is actually super impressive stuff. Like, I don't even use my brain against you.
Seriously, when lost.
Jesus Christ, look at this.
Seriously.
No, I'm actually thinking, bro. I'm not joking.
Bro, there's 258 viewers right now.
What?
And 46 plus, like, there's in total like 400 people watching the stream almost.
Bro, I am using my brain to play this match.
Is it worth playing if I'm not going to bother to learn the Hairless Cat's Mongolian opening?
What is the Fearless Cat's Mongolian opening? Bro, I am using my brain to play this match.
Yeah, somebody might try to
I have to be literally squeezing this like I'm playing an international master.
Yeah.
Look, you know how many times I played this bishop to f8 move? Just to keep the bishop?
God.
He's
yeah, guys, if you want to play against him, you could just
I can actually take here, but then he's going to blitz it. So this is what we call now a surprise move. Oh, he has still not lost on time. I thought that one got him.
No, like, people are saying Rolly is a smurf.
Bro, who is this guy? Why am I still...
I think he played against me. That's why I recognize him.
Oh, you know this guy?
Yeah, like, the name seems so familiar. And it's because he played against me before.
I'm trying to, like, run over a bit.
I'm not playing viewers, guys. He's playing viewers.
Some more light squares. Let me kill him.
I'm 2000. How to play him? You go to his YouTube channel. No, not his YouTube channel.
Hold on.
You can also go to his YouTube channel, but you go to his chess.com page and you send an invite. 5 minutes or less, unrated.
Bro, I am using my brain. Why? Check, finally.
I'm using my brain.
Finally. He's losing.
I think he's about to get mated.
Oh wait, that bishop was under attack all this time? Finally.
I know.
Bro, no, we need to like congratulate that person. I'm not even joking. I see this name a lot. So this guy's from Brazil.